Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day, and if not, we're gonna turn it around because we have some plus size fashion and it's affordable. Heck yeah, affordable clothing is important. I don't know why, I like to sing. Thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. You guys know I love ThredUp. I love them. So I have done quite a few ThredUp hauls in my day, and I continue to do them because I really love ThredUp. I have the app on my phone and I'm always on here. I'm always looking on ThredUp because they have okay, let me tell you what ThredUp is first and foremost if you are new and you haven't seen it yet. So ThredUp is really awesome. It has like new secondhand clothing, accessories, shoes, a little bit of everything. They always have new things being added. So it's great because they do have a plus size section as well. So I like that there is, you know, a dedicated section to plus size clothing. So you will have that option, and they have seriously something for everyone. Like, I always find a million things on there that I love, and they're super good brands too. So if you want something a little bit more affordable and you don't want to go out and pay like retail price, you can honestly like look through and find amazing brands, like a little bit of everything. Like if you've watched these hauls before, you'll be like shocked at how many amazing brands are on the site. And by shopping on here, you're giving clothing new life, you're helping the environment, not as much waste. So it's a great concept overall, and your girl has been a fan for quite some time. And it's a very like accessible website and app as well. So you just go right on, you can pick out sizes, colors, you can search very specifically. It's extremely easy to maneuver. It's not super confusing. So check it out, you will not be disappointed. So they have free shipping, easy returns, and the packaging, this is just one of my many boxes, is always really cute and has these turquoise polka dots on it every time, and it's just fun. It's like Christmas. I love shopping here. And they always have this like really adorable tissue paper as well, so it's like just so cute. So I'm gonna be doing a try on haul for you guys today with some pics that, ooh girl, just a little sneak peek look at these embroidered flowers. Oh yes. And ThredUp is offering you guys 40% off your first orders. Yes, you guys can just use the link down below in the description box and the code. I mean, 40% off is a lot, and the clothing is already like really affordable. So, ooh, more cute packaging. I just appreciate good packaging. All right, so let's just hop into this try on haul. Okay, so the first item that I had mentioned is this super cute black sweater. It's really like just simple and adorable. It's also from Boohoo. You guys know I love Boohoo so much, so a brand that you guys see me order from a lot, so it's on here. I love the simplicity of this with the pop of embroidered floral on the sleeve. This is so cute, going into like that transition from winter to summer. You know, dress it up with jeans, dress it down with sweats, like lounge in it, wear it out. I just think this is super cute. Everyone loves a good flannel, am I right? But they can get a little bit pricey, so I love this one here. So this is from the brand Highness, and it's just, oh my gosh, I love, it's just a classic red and blue plaid. I even love this with just like a plain white t-shirt underneath, and wear it open, wear it closed, tuck it in, maybe like one flap tucked. I just think these are so like universal, and everyone needs a good flannel in their closet. So of course I had to pick one up. This is a life-changing piece. This is from New Look, and it's everything. Like, you'll see it better on the side-by-side, but it kind of has like that bomber jacket look with this little like detailing around the neckline, on the ends of the sleeves, and then also it's like more kind of tailored into like a longer coat. It's really cool. It is like a jacket, bomber jacket hybrid, if I'm making sense, like peacoat bomber jacket hybrid. I don't know, I love it, and I love the gray, like this fun gray material. It just like, it feels very warm as well, so I think that is just super trendy. Like I said, they're adding things constantly, so there's always new things to look at. So I grabbed another jacket. This is from NYJD. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. Like, look how fun this is. It has that cool like flap on the side, like a side zipper. Is it Y? I don't know. I'm probably saying the name wrong, but it's so cool. It has this like really cool leather stripe down the sleeve. So I just love this because these jackets are great, like I said, for that winter to spring transition where it's like still cold, but you can go with a little bit of a lighter jacket on some days. Oh, I got this for my trip to Florida next week. Next week? Yeah. I just think this is everything. everything. So it's this turquoise off the shoulder. It's so cute. You'll see it in the side by side. It's just like beachy and cute, and it like flares out. It's like a flowy, like beautiful fit, and I love the orange and the blue. This just screams summer. It's American Rag, and I love American Rag. So to get this at a more affordable price, because some of these things are pricey originally, I love that you can like get a good steal. Oh, I was stoked. I found an Adidas jacket. Amazing, and at such a good price. And it literally has tags. Like, it's brand new. I'm obsessed. So that was awesome. Like, you'll find steals. I'm just saying, like, I just love ThredUp. I just love it. And we have one last extremely cute piece. I almost feel like I saved the best for last. Look how gorgeous. I'm gonna bring this to Florida as well. This is from Chic, a brand I love. You guys have seen me talk about them a few times before. So look how beautiful this strapless dress is. It has like nice wiring underneath to keep everything in place, and it flares out at the waist, so it's really flattering. The print is beautiful. Like, I'll go out to like a nice little dinner in Florida and rock that with some wedges. So everything was fabulous. So if you aren't dying to try ThredUp now, I don't understand. Don't forget, you guys can get 40% off your first order, which is awesome. So link down below. Let me know which was your favorite piece that I showed in this haul, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.